Yes, dear students, now we will see the part 7th of question number 5 of exercise number 8.4, your introduction to trigonometry chapter. Obviously, we used to start solution 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 by LHS side. So you can see here in this, I am going to write the statement first. It is our sine theta minus 2 your sine cube theta upon your 2 time of your cos cube theta minus your cos theta, and we have to prove it is equals to tan theta. Now you can see here we can take the common sign from this step. So if we are going to take the common size from this step, so the one sign will be taken out. So here you will have sine theta, and inside you are having your 1 minus your 2 times of your sine square theta. What happened? From this cube we have taken one common out, so here we are having a square theta, and this sign is already taken as a common, so here in place of this sign we have 1. So now you can see here in the same way, if we are going to take your cos theta out, inside you are having here 2 times of your cos square theta negative 1. Understood? So the first part of this, if we are going to, this is our first step, and sine upon cos if we are going to take separate, so you can write like this: your sine theta upon your cos theta multiplies your 1 minus 2 times of your sine square theta, and in place of this cos you can see here that cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. Your cos square theta is equals to your 1 minus sine square theta. So in place of cos theta I am going to write 1 minus sine square theta. So this 2 will be remain same, this 2 will be remain same in place of cos only. In place of cos I can easily write it is 1 minus my sine square theta, and after that you will have that your negative 1 is there. It is your negative 1 here, because in place of cos theta I have written 1 minus sine square theta, so negative 1 is outside the bracket. Now we will multiply the digit. This sine upon cos becomes tan. Sine theta upon cos theta, it is your tan theta. It is clear? So tan theta is to be multiply your 1 minus 2 times of your sine square theta upon, if I am going to multiply it, it will be your 2 1 times is equals to 2 minus 2 multiplied by sine is equals to 2 sine square theta, and then last 1. Why? Because this negative 1 is outside the bracket. This 2 is to be multiplied by with this cos value of cos. Now you can see here we are going to go for that means we are going to solve it. Now it is your tan theta multiplies your 1 minus 2 times of your sine square theta upon this. From this 2 this negative 1 is subtracted, so you will have here 1 minus 2 times of your sine square theta, which will be cancelled. So the remaining value you are having here, it is tan theta, which is equals to your right hand side. It is clear? Yes, now we will see the part number 8th. Sine a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square, and we have to equalize this with 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So as usual we solve it SOLU. We will use that LHS side by using the formula a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. You can see here sine theta plus cosec theta whole square. So in this we are going to convert this sine square a, it will be your a plus b whole square, so a square, so it is sine square a plus b square, so it is of your cosec cosec square a plus 2 times of your sine a and your cosec cosec a plus. Now why I have kept this little large addition sign, you can see this, it is a addition. Then again you have cos plus sec whole square, so cos square theta you can write here cos square theta plus your sec square theta plus your 2 times of your cos a and your sec a. It is clear? Now we know it very well. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So you can see here this step sine square and cos square. So I am going to write it together. Sine square theta plus your this cos square theta, this sine square theta and cos square theta taken out. Then in one group we have taken it out. Then again plus you can see here that cosec square theta I am going to convert this cosec square theta. इस cosec square theta को हमने convert कर दिया 1 plus your cot square theta. We have converted this into 1 plus cot square theta. You can see here 1 plus cot square theta. किसको convert किया? यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. किस y? cosec को cot में convert किया, because we need to have a result in the cot form and in form of 10. That's why we have broken this cosec into the form of 1 plus cot. Then after you can see here 2 sine a and cosec a. This can be written plus your 2 times of your sine theta, 2 times of your sine theta, and cosec theta we can convert into the form of 1 upon sine theta, 1 upon sine theta. The cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta. Now you can see this cos is already gone this side. Now we have here sec theta. What we have? Sec theta. So this sec also I can convert. This sec I can write in the form of 1 plus our 10 square a. This sec can be converted 1 plus 10 square a. 10 square a. Now the last value is your 2 cos a and sec a. So here at the last it is plus your 2 time of your cos a multiply 1 upon cos a. Why? So that we can cancel these cos. Sec is equals to 1 upon cos. Now you can see here the first sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So this first bracket becomes 1. Now addition sign. Then after you have 1 plus cot square theta. So it is 1 plus your cot square theta or cot square a, because the cosine theta is given in form of a. Then plus 2, this sign and this sign will be cancelled. So you can directly write 2. Then after again plus your 1 plus 10 square a. So it is of your 1 plus your 10 square theta. Then this cos is cancelled with this cos. Again it is plus 2. Now little it is in little short. You can add all the numeric values. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we are having here 7 plus this 10 your 10 square a, and this cot, it is of your cot square a. This question is very easy beta, only little lengthy. The part is little lengthy. Once again I'll explain you just concentrate on that. It was the given information that sine a plus cosec, sine theta plus cosec theta ka whole square. So a plus b whole square, it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then this is the first part, this is the first bracket part. Then you can see here cos plus sec whole square. So cos a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So cos square theta plus sec square theta plus 2ab. Now we will shift the values according to our requirement. So sin theta and cos theta I have taken together because these two makes 1. ये दोनों बाद में क्या बन जाएंगे? 1 बन जाएंगे. Cosec I have breaken that means cosec I have write that cosec into the form of 1 plus cot theta. Why I have converted it? Because we need to have a cot square theta at the RHS side. Then after you can see sine and cosec. So this cosec can be written in the form of 1 by sine. So it can be cancelled. It can be cancelled here. If I am not going to write here in the same way, then you can see sine is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cosec is was hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Again you can directly cancel it and directly you can take the 2. But to explain you I have written this in this form 1 upon sine. Then cos already gone there. Sec can be written in the form of 1 by 10. Then this again you can see cos is your base upon hypotenuse multiply sec is your hypotenuse upon base. This can be cancelled, so 2 will be remain here at the end. You can see 2 is here. So all that after cancellation of all that means not required things, you are having 1 plus 1 plus cot plus 2 plus 1 plus 10 square theta plus 2. So adding it will be 7 plus 10 square theta plus cot square theta, which is equals to RHS. It is clear. Now you can note it down if you want.